Today's video, I'm gonna test how the Copilot for SQL is working and how I made the connections. From the extension, download the GitHub Copilot and get it installed. If you are not already using SQL in VS Code connection made, then go ahead and install the SQL tools and SQL tool for whichever database you are using. I'm using SQL tools MySQL. And then you would get this icon. Go ahead and create the connection for whichever database you want to. I made it for the MySQL. I already have the connection set up. Now let's try how the AI is helping us to write the SQL code. First, just see the databases which are available by default. Okay, let's work just on the world data. It has three tables: city, country, and country language. Let's try a very basic simple questions like using count, maybe even without that. Just get the number of cities in USA, make a request. It's fetching the response. Okay, it's saying select count star from city where country code is this. Seems fine. Let's try if we're getting the right number of answers. Yep, we are good. And now let's try a little more complicated maybe. Like find out the population and average life expectancy for people in Argentina. To note it, actually, in the previous code, like while I was trying on my own, when I gave this, it gave me a two different query. So I had to go ahead and say, can you make it in one query? And then it created, else it was actually having two different queries it was suggesting. Okay, that's fine. It has learned from what I said previously, which is a good feature. Let's see just like what country has the highest expectancy without giving more information. Again, when I tried previously, it was actually not able to give the comment, so I have to specifically mention using is not null order by limit. And then the next time when I ask the same question, it's actually including all of it. Okay, see how good it is with some joins, maybe. Hmm, seems fine. Did I check this out? Yep. Let's try one last question. Select 25 cities around the world that starts with the letter F in a single query. If I don't say it in a single query, what does it say? No, it still did it in a single query. Okay. Here we go. So far, I'm loving working with this Copilot for SQL. Let's explore more on how much helpful it is to write a stored procedure or to use window functions and a little more complicated joins. Stay tuned and let me know how is your experience with Copilot for SQL so far or any other. Leave your comments below for the discussion. Thank you.